This creamy miso noodle soup has become my go-to comfort meal this winter. So the reason why I love this soup is because it's not only easy to make, but the broth is clean and still creamy, packed with umami. It's really satisfying. It's the kind of thing I crave when I don't want something super heavy, but still warm and comforting. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. First, let our noodles going. I'm using ramen style noodles today, but udon or any other noodle variety would work great here. Bring a pot of water to boil and then cook your noodles according to the package instructions. Once they're done, set aside 1 cup of the cooking liquid and drain the rest of the noodles. Wash them under cold water so that they don't stick together, and optionally add a little oil to coat them. Now for the protein, I'm using defrosted super firm tofu. I'm cutting it into thin, long pieces. And you can even pan fry the tofu till it's crispy. So in order to do that, you would just make thin slices of your tofu so that they cook and get crispy on each side. You can also crumble the tofu, add some seasonings and bake it in the oven so that it's crispy, and that can really add a good texture to your soup. In a deep saute pot, add a little bit of oil, toss in sliced carrots and bell peppers, and saute for a minute or two. Then add the purple cabbage and just cook it briefly so that the veggies stay vibrant and crispy. Once slightly softened but still has bite, take the veggies off heat and set aside. Add salt when the veggies are off the heat and cooled a little bit because you don't want them to start releasing water. Now let's make the creamy soup base. In the same pot, heat about a tablespoon of oil, add chopped garlic, grated ginger, and the white parts of a spring onion. Saute until fragrant, and this should take about 30 seconds to a minute. Lower the heat and then add the miso paste. I'm using white miso here and about 2 tablespoons. Stir it around for a few seconds to get it toasted a little bit. Now pour in the reserved noodle water, coconut milk, and water. Add the mushroom umami powder, soy sauce, and just a touch of salt and sugar to balance everything out. Make sure to taste before adding the salt, just because with the miso paste, the soy sauce, and the mushroom umami powder, if you're adding that, the broth itself is going to be on the saltier side, so taste and adjust accordingly. Give it a good stir and let this simmer gently for 3 to 5 minutes so that all the flavors come together. Add the tofu pieces and let the soup simmer on medium heat till the tofu absorbs all the flavor of the soup. You do not need to vigorously boil the soup. Okay, to assemble, add your cooked noodles to a bowl, then ladle that hot, creamy soup with the tofu pieces in it right on top. Top with your sauteed veggies, and then finish off with some sliced green onions for freshness and some chili crisp for that heat. And that is it. Your clean and creamy miso noodle soup is ready. This soup will definitely keep you warm in the winter, and it is really very easy to make. The ingredients are very flexible. You can customize it to however you like, and it'll still work every single time. If you end up making it, let me know what you used and I can try that version for myself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.